Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in this video, we will learn how to find probability of an event and we will solve examples of practice set 5.4 from the chapter probability. Probability of an event in mathematical language when possibility of an expected event is expressed in a number, it is called as probability. In mathematical language, when possibility of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called as probability. Probability is expressed as fraction or percentage using the formula. For a random experiment, if S is the sample space and A is an event, expected event, then the probability of A is given by the formula. Probability of A is equal to number of sample points in event A divided by number of sample points in sample space S, that is Na upon Ns. That is, the probability of A is given by the formula. Probability of A is equal to Na upon Ns, that's number of element in event A divided by number of element in sample space S. Note about probability. First, probability is expressed as fraction or a percentage. Probability of any event is from 0 to 1 or 0% to 100%. If A is an event, then 0 is less than equal to probability of A. Probability of A is greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than equal to 1, or probability of A is greater than 0% or equal to 0%, or it is less than or equal to 100%. Practice set 5.4. First example. If two coins are tossed, find probability of following event: getting at least one head, and second, getting no head. So now here two coins are tossed. So first we will write the sample space. Sample space S is equal to, when two coins are tossed, the technique 2 raised to the sample space 2 raised to 2 square, 2 square. There are two outcomes when coin is tossed. So 2 square is equal to 4. So sample space S is equal to 2 times H, 2 times T, H, T, H, T. So 4 outcomes, 4 sample points. So 2 times H, 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 then H, T, then TH, and fourth is T, T. So number of sample points in sample space Ns is equal to 4. Now event, let first one getting at least one head, let A be event getting at least one head. Therefore, A is equal to, we have to write the event from the sample space. So at least one head means two heads will also do. So HH, head is present, HT and TH. So number of sample points in event A, Na is equal to 3. So probability of A is equal to Na upon Ns, which is equal to 3 upon 4. Now let event B let event second, let B be event getting no head, getting no head. So here no head in the sample space, the head is not there in only one sample point, that is TT. So B is equal to TT. There is no head in this sample point. So a number of element in event B and B equal to one number of sample points in B. So probability of B of getting no head, probability is Na and B upon Ns. So probability of B is equal to NB1 upon Ns, number of sample points in sample species. So probability of getting no head is 1 upon 4. Second example, if two dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of the following events. Number 1, sum of the digits on the uppermost space is at least 10. Second, sum of the digits on the uppermost space is 33. And third is the digits on the first die is greater than the digits on the second die. So the sample space for two dice are rolled simultaneously is 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, and 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. This is the sample space for when two dice are rolled simultaneously. So number of sample points in the sample space total are 36. Now event A, let A be the event, the sum of the uppermost space. This is then let the event be A. So the sum of the uppermost space is at least 10. Sum, if you add these two digits 1 plus 1, it should be 10 or more than 10. At least means 10 or more than 10. So from first row 1 plus 6 8, 1 plus 6 7. So second row also not there. Third row 3 plus 6 9. Then first is 4 plus 6. So 4 plus 6, 4 and 6, whose sum is 10. Second 5 plus 5, 5 comma 5. Then 5 6, that is 11, more than 10. Then 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. So number of element in A is equal to 6. So probability that the digits on the uppermost space is at least 10. When two dice are rolled, that time probability is equal to Na upon Ns. The probability chances 6 upon 36. So 6 upon 36 is 1 upon 6 is the probability. When two dice are rolled, the uppermost space is, sum of the uppermost space is at least 10. Now second is let the event be B, event B be the sum of the digits on the uppermost space is 33. Now we'll check each output, that is its sample point, sum of the uppermost space is not 33. Maximum it is 6 plus 6 12. So here we will not get any sample point. So in event B is empty. You can represent empty set in this manner to bracket, or you can write empty set as this symbol. So number of element in B is equal to 0. So probability of B is equal to NB upon Ns. NB upon Ns which is equal to 0 upon ns is 33, which is equal to 0. Probability of B is 0. The sum of the uppermost digit is 33. Now, let the event C be the digits on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die of the dice. So, third event C be the first die number is greater than the second die. We see first die 1 1 1 2, so here less. So first die is greater than the second die. So we start from first die is greater than second die. So 1 2 1. First die 2 is greater than 1. Then 3 1 3 2. Then 4 1 4 is greater than 2 4 2 4 3. Then 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 and 6 5. So these are the sample points where the score on first die is greater than the score on second die. So sample points in event C are, that is 2 1, then 3 1, 3 2, 3 1 3 2, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, then 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, then 6 1, 6 2. Your score on the first die is greater than the second die. 6 3, 6 4 and 6 5. So number of sample points in C are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 sample points. So number of elements in C is equal to 15. So probability of C getting the score on the first die greater than the second die. So probability of C is equal to NC upon NS sample, number of sample points in S. So that is 15 upon 36. You can reduce it to lowest form. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 2s are. So probability is 5 upon 12. Third example. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the number from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find probability of an event that the ticket drawn shows an even number, and second, the ticket shows the number is multiple of 5. So the sample space for the 15 tickets which are drawn from the number 1 to 15, S is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So total number of sample points NS is equal to 15. So event A, let A be the event. The ticket drawn is a even number. So A is equal to the even number. The sample space are multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 are even number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12 and 14. These are the even number. So number of sample points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So any number of sample point in event A is equal to 7. So probability of A, that number tick drawn is a even number. Ticket drawn is a even number, is probability of A is equal to NA upon NS, which is equal to 7 upon 15 is the probability. Now event B, the event B is the ticket drawn is a multiple of 5. So the multiple of 5 in sample space, event B, so multiple of 5 is 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So 5, 10 and 15. So number of sample points in event B is equal to 3, 5, 10 and 15, 3. So probability of B that ticket drawn is multiple of 5 is equal to number of element in B, event B upon number of element in sample space S, which is equal to 3 upon 15, which is equal to 1 upon 5 is the problem. Fourth example, a two-digit number is found with the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. What is the probability that the number formed is an odd number and a number is multiple of 5? So first we will find the sample space using the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the technique to write the sample space using the digits where there is no repetition. So this 2 will go with all the digits 2, 3, first 2-digit number, then 2, 5, 2, 7 and 2, 9. So grouping with group of 2 with all the remaining digits. Here there is no repetition. Now 3 will go with all the digits. So 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 7 and 3, 9. In the same manner, 5 will go with to all the digits, that is 5, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 7 and 5, 9. Then the next is 7. 7 will go with all the digits, 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5 and 7, 9. And last 9 will group with all remaining digits, that is there should not be any repetition here. 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 5 and 9, 7. So this is the sample space. So number of sample points in the sample space are 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So 4 5s are 20. So NS is equal to 20. So A is equal to 23, 25, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, then 73, 75, 79, 93, 95 and 97. So total sample points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So number of sample points in event A is equal to 16. Those are the odd numbers. So probability of A is equal to NA, number of sample points in event A divided by number of sample points in sample space S, which is equal to 16 divided by 20. Reduce to the lowest form. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So probability is 4 upon 5. Now event B, that number of multiples of 5. Event B, that number is multiple of 5. So in the sample space A, the numbers which are multiple of 5 are 25, 35, 75 and 95. These are the 4 numbers which are multiple of 5. So 25, 35, 75 and 95. So number of sample points in event B is equal to 4. So probability of B, that number is an multiple of 5, is equal to NB upon NS, which is equal to 4 upon 20. So 4 1s are 4 5s are 20, which is equal to 1 upon 5 is the probability that number is multiple of 5. Another example, a card is drawn at a random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. find the probability that a card drawn is an act or card is a spade card. So now there are in all 52 playing cards. There are in all 52 playing cards. Therefore, number of sample points in sample space S is equal to 52. Now, let A be the event. The card drawn is a egg card. Now, in all, there are 4 egg cards in the pack of 52 playing cards. So, there are in all NA is equal to 4 egg cards. Number of egg cards are 4. So, probability of A is equal to probability of that the card is an egg card is equal to NA upon NS, which is equal to 4 upon 52, reduced to the lowest form. So 4 ones are 4, 4 13s are 52. So probability the card is egg card is 1 upon 3. Now the event B. The event B is the card drawn is a spade card. Now there are in all 13 spade cards in the pack of 52 playing cards. So let NB is equal to 13. So probability that the card is a spade card, that is probability of B, is equal to NB upon NS, which is equal to 13. NB is 13 upon 52. 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are 52. So probability the card is spade card is 1 upon 4.